Hey there friends, if you've ever used a Glowforge, you need magnets quite often to hold down your parts, and I just happened to have collected a bunch of old hard drives when I was working with computers over the years, and I'll show you how to get the magnets out of one of these so you can use them on your Glowforge. Check it out. The first thing you need I get from Harbor Freight, and it's just the small little set of bits that help you take out all the fancy security screws they have on. The second thing is to learn that there are little pieces of tape that quite often look obscure, but they are the important ones, as they're hiding the parts that you need to take it apart. Then once you've got that going, just grab your little bit and take out all those little screws. I also bought this little set from Harbor Freight, and I 3D printed this little carrier for the bits, and it's actually more efficient for this process. Let's see if we can just pull it apart. Sometimes there's a lot of screws underneath. I don't think I have to take off this little board, so I'm going to just try and pry this apart. I've got my groovy little chisel, and there we go. We are inside the hard drive. Once inside the hard drive, the magnets are back here. And this looks like it's just pressed in there. No magnet on that one. You can see right there's the awesome magnet. That's what we're trying to get to. So this had a little threaded head, and this isn't the same on everyone, but and this piece comes right out of here after just turning that a little bit. Then we've got complete access to the awesome magnet. This is the one you're trying to get a hold of so that you can use it to hold down stuff in your Glowforge. Make sure you don't get those too close to your phones or anything like that, because they are super strong magnets. But that is how you get a magnet out of a hard drive. Then also, if you're trying to destroy the data on this, this is where you drill holes in this so it can't be used. There's also neat bearings in this. If you want to try and make something with the bearings, if you're thinking of parts you can salvage, all kinds of stuff you can fiddle around with. Thanks for watching, friends. If you found this useful, please hammer that like button. If you haven't hit subscribe, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. If you got a question or a comment, leave it down below. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, friends.